There's a very small part of me that hopes a dinosaur tried to break into my house last night. That's not really that small. I wanted to get out here. For that. And that. But this is the before. There he is, right in the center. Male cardinal. I wanted to get out to this beaver dam again. This is the before. This is gonna be a pretty big melt off we have here. So I am expecting a lot of water. I may not even be able to get out. I just wanted to come down here and take a look at the before. I imagine we're going to get up to this tree. It's going to get that warm and wet, and I think there'll be a tremendous melt-off again. We saw it once last year, I believe. I bet. I don't know, they really shored that up, huh? I was going to say, usually it breaches right there. We'll see. That's going to be a lot. Oh, that's snow melting off the trees. We'll go down there too for the after. I'll take it. They've been doing fresh work here. That's fresh mud. Pushed up mud and grass. Do you see how they dredge to the bottom? I'm gonna swipe that on them. I'm putting you to work. We're in the fertilizer business now. Oh, so here's the before. I bet you this flows a lot higher looking back this afternoon. I don't suspect we'll get much higher than that tree in the center there. There's a pretty in-person noticeable slope. But the goal is, like, this never goes away. I'm hoping it gets bigger and stays, and I need a canoe to get into the woods. We'll see. We'll see this year what happens. We'll see this afternoon what happens.